All right, flute players, chop builder from the beginning. So if you were listening to that real carefully, you'll notice that I messed up at the very end. Whatever. Mistakes happen, right? The first thing you'll notice at the beginning of this song is that we have a new thing, and that new thing is ties. This little line that goes across these 3 notes, and across those 3 notes, and across those 4 notes, and across those 4 notes, that is called a slur. And that slur will make it so that you don't articulate the second and third, or in this case, 4th note of each phrase. So it'll sound like this. Ta with no tongue. That would be with tongue. We want to connect the line so that it sounds more legato, is what we call that in the music biz. The other new thing that you notice happens right in measure 2, and that is the G, where my cursor is. That G is a new note for us, and we play that as thumb, 1, 2, 3, pinky. Thumb, 1, 2, 3, pinky. Try that note with me. If you're too low with your embouchure, if you're blowing too soft or maybe too low airstream-wise, it'll go like this. If that happens to you, just speed up the airstream and try to aim upwards ever so slightly by pushing your jaw out maybe, or by pushing together more with the lips. When you go to play in measure 5, 6, 7, and 8, you'll have to alternate between a D and a G. And that motion is semi-new for us. We haven't had to do that yet. So be sure that you practice that off of your flute face. Instead, put it on your shoulder and just rock back and forth. Don't forget at the very end, we'll have the double dots, so it'll have us go back to the beginning and play the whole thing again. Finally, only breathe where there are breath marks, which is the apostrophe thing, or quarter rests. The goal is one long continuous airstream to make it sound legato. All right, you guys are awesome. I'll see you in the next one.